everyone, welcome to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, I'm Robin, and today I've got some deep cleaning motivation for you. I'm going to be focusing my cleaning efforts here in our dining room and butler pantry area. This space was used by our son Kyle while he was home from college working remotely, and now that he has returned to university, it's time for me to get in here and do a thorough cleaning. I'm starting with decluttering. This countertop is the first surface that we see when we come in through our garage door. So this is a catch-all space for all sorts of things. As you can see, we've got quite a tool collection going on here. We're working on a little project in the laundry room, and this was a convenient place to keep everything. So I'm going to return those things to the garage, along with some of the other things from that project, and clear the space out so that I can really start cleaning. I'm starting off with this light fixture in our dining room. It just needs a good dusting every once in a while, so I'm using my extendable duster from eCloth and just making sure that I knock down as much dust as possible, and anything that falls onto the table or the floor I will get later. I'm also using my eCloth extendable duster for the blinds here in the dining room, and whenever it feels like it's getting a little full, I just take it into our laundry room and vacuum it, and then it's good to go. You guys know how much I love my eCloths, and this extendable duster is by far the most versatile and the most used dusting tool I have. I love it, and if you guys are interested, I always have a link to eCloth that you can find in the description box. For whatever reason, this side of the windowsill was a lot dustier. There were a couple of dead bugs and gross things like that, so I pulled out my vacuum cleaner, and this is a new one for me. This is a new handheld vacuum that is also a stick vac from Elec Homes, and I have really been enjoying this. I get tons of questions about the vacuums that I use, and the stick vac that I had previously is no longer available, so I gave that one to Kyle to take back to school, and when Elec Homes contacted me and asked if I wanted to try out their new stick vac, I said yes. I have been so happy with it, and so if you are in the market for one, I can definitely recommend this one to you. It has a 5-stage filtration system with twin HEPA filters that is washable, which is a great feature. The battery lasts for up to 50 minutes on low speed and about 20 minutes on high. The original price is $159.99, which is already a great bargain, but right now if you use my code, you can receive 40% off for a final price of $119.99. This code will be good until September 10th, 2020, and you can find all the details in the description box. The bracket included is great for storage and easy charging. It comes with space for the attachment, and if you are curious about how it performs, I'm going to be using it later in the video, so watch out for that. Again, I'm using my extendable duster to get the crown molding, the light fixtures, and the vents on the ceiling. Normally, I try to always dust from the top down so that I'm not knocking dust onto surfaces that I've just cleaned. But with this extendable duster, it does a great job of trapping all of the dust, so I don't really have that much dust that's falling down. But just to be on the safe side, it would have been better if I had started here. I also love how easy it is to clean baseboards with this tool. For a little bit of a deeper clean, I really like using this Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. It's great on wood surfaces. It smells amazing like almonds, and I think that it does a great job with all natural ingredients. Next, it's dusting the cabinetry in the dining room and in the butler pantry area. This dark wood really does show all of the dust, so it does need to be done often, but it doesn't take much time, and it's so satisfying when it's done. Our countertops in this area are made of limestone, which is a natural stone a lot like granite. So I'm using my all-purpose disinfecting cleaner, which is completely safe for those surfaces, and I'll have the recipe for it in the description box. This time I made it with spearmint essential oil. I love this scent, and all natural scents I find very motivating when I'm cleaning. It makes the experience just so much more enjoyable. This china tea set belonged to my grandmother, and don't worry, before I use it, which is rare, I do wash it thoroughly with soap and water, but because it sits out here on the counter, I just use my duster for regular cleaning. All that's left to do is to clean the floors, and I'm loving using my new Elec Home stick vac. I like that you can go straight from the hardwoods to the carpet without changing attachments. The roller is very soft, so you don't have to worry about scratching the wood floors, and you can turn off the roller if you choose. It's very easy to do at the handle where the controls are. You can also switch from low to high depending on the area that you need to clean. It's so easy to maneuver and get underneath things. Plus, you can detach the floor attachment so that you can use it as a handheld vacuum, making it super versatile. If you've been looking for a stick vac that performs well at a really great price, I can definitely recommend this one, so make sure you check out all of the information in the description box. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation for tackling an area in your home. If you did like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And if you're new here and you haven't already done so, I want to invite you to subscribe. I'd love to have you join our Faith and Flour community. And if you want notifications so that you never miss a video, make sure you activate the bell icon. I look forward to talking with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great week.